Have you ever found yourself wondering what specific traits women find absolutely irresistible in men? What are those qualities that make them sit up and take notice? For many men, figuring out what truly attracts women can be a real challenge. You might feel frustrated and confused, not knowing how to present yourself in a way that highlights your best attributes. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking you need to change who you are, but that's not the case. In this video, we're going to reveal the 4 key masculine traits that women find incredibly attractive. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to naturally showcase these traits, making you stand out and captivate her attention without compromising who you are. Stay tuned to discover how to unlock these powerful qualities. Meet Jack. A few years ago, Jack was like many other guys. Decent job, good friends, but he always felt something was missing in his love life. He saw confident men effortlessly attracting women and wondered, what's their secret? Jack decided to embark on a journey to understand what makes certain men irresistible to women. After diving deep into self-improvement books, relationship advice forums, and even talking to women themselves, Jack discovered something fascinating. It wasn't about flashy clothes or over-the-top gestures. It boiled down to 4 key masculine traits that women universally find attractive. Confidence. It's not about arrogance, but a quiet assurance. Jack started working on his self-esteem, setting small goals, and celebrating each achievement. He noticed women were naturally drawn to his newfound confidence. Ambition. Women are attracted to men with a clear direction in life. Jack began focusing on his career and passions, sharing his dreams and aspirations openly. This sense of purpose made him magnetic. Emotional intelligence. Jack learned to understand and express his emotions better, showing empathy and listening more. This trait helped him connect with women on a deeper level, building stronger, more meaningful relationships. Authenticity. Jack realized that being true to himself, rather than trying to fit a mold, was incredibly attractive. He embraced his quirks and imperfections, which made him more relatable and genuine. But the journey wasn't easy. Jack faced many challenges along the way. He had moments of self-doubt, setbacks in his career, and times when he felt completely lost. There were days when he questioned if these traits would truly make a difference. Then something unexpected happened. Jack met Sarah at a friend's party. She was unlike anyone he had ever met, smart, funny, and incredibly insightful. As they talked, Jack realized that all the traits he had been working on were effortlessly shining through. Sarah later told him that what attracted her most was his genuine confidence, his passion for life, his ability to connect on an emotional level, and his authenticity. Now Jack is in a happy, fulfilling relationship with Sarah, and his journey continues to inspire those around him. So if you're wondering how to become irresistible to women, remember Jack's story. Focus on building these 4 key masculine traits: confidence, ambition, emotional intelligence, and authenticity. Embrace the challenges along the way, and you might just find that the right person is naturally drawn to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on becoming your best self. Recap and engagement. Thanks for joining us today and discovering the 4 masculine traits that women find irresistible and attractive. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on self-improvement and relationships.